Rexa electrolytic actuators are used throughout the mineral processing industry to manage the most critical control and isolation applications. Reduce maintenance time and cost. Prevent unplanned shutdowns. Maximize recovery. The flotation cell level control system at the copper concentrator is a critical process. It must operate efficiently for the plant to separate valuable ore from gangue or non-valuable materials. Dart valves within the flotation cell are responsible for maintaining pulp level and flow from one cell to the neighboring cells. Dart valve response time directly affects certain process scenarios, stabilizing pulp level during plant startup, maintaining stable pulp level during small set point changes, responding to slurry surges from neighboring cells. Typically, dart valves are operated by pneumatic actuators. Maintaining pulp level requires small, stable set point changes. Flow exiting the dart valve creates suction, which pulls the valve closed. This is problematic for pneumatic actuators, which must overcome air compression and static friction before valve motion can occur. If the suction pulls the valve closed, the flow of pulp slurry exiting the cell is disrupted, negatively impacting the neighboring cells. This also creates unnecessary wear on the valve dart and seat. High flow conditions in neighboring cells can require rapid dart valve opening. Immediate response to signal changes ensures the actuator reaches the new target set point quickly and without overshoot. If the valve response time is sluggish and slow to close, the tank level will decrease, resulting in less froth entering the launderer. If the valve stalls in a closed position with a pneumatic actuator and does not open when commanded by the control signal, the froth and pulp will overflow and spill to the ground, resulting in expensive cleanup and reprocessing. Rexa electrolytic actuation provides immediate response with stable, repeatable control. The electrolytic actuator utilizes self-contained, incompressible hydraulics and is resistant to the suction forces of the dart valve. This results in stable slurry transfer out of the cell and prevents unnecessary wear of the valve seat. Dart valve maintenance intervals are extended, leading to higher unit availability. Maintaining stable pulp level will increase the copper grade recovered. The froth layer will be more stable and have greater opportunity to move to the launder. Plants using electrolytic actuators increase efficiency, reduce maintenance time and cost, prevent unplanned shutdowns, and maximize recovery.